Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing that challenge that's been going around where you just mix all of your foundations together. So if you want to see how this turns out, then just keep watching. Okay, so I am not professional. I do not have a second camera that I can show you. I could show you with my iPhone, but I cannot figure out a way to put it on something to show you. So I'm just going to tell you what I'm mixing, and I'm going to mix it on a plate because I don't want to dirty a bowl. Let's just go ahead and get started. So this is all my foundations. I put them in here. This is my foundations and primers, so it's not just foundations in here. I have quite a bit. There is one foundation I'm not going to be using, and it is the Ulta Beauty foundation. I just did a review on this. That is why I have weird makeup where one doesn't match the other eye. So I just did a review on this. Long story short, it flopped. If you want to see that, I don't know if that video is going up before this. If it is, I will link it up here somewhere. If it's not, then it should be in a couple of days. But yeah, so I'm not going to mix that in because I absolutely don't like it. So I'm going to just stick to the ones I have. I do have two cushion foundations that I'm going to ignore because I don't want to try to mix those in. And I do have two of the Hourglass ones, which are in two different colors. And I'm not going to put those in as either, just because I feel like it would be too hard and I don't want to waste. I mean, these are pretty expensive. I don't want to waste them. So I'm not going to put those in. But I do have my foundation set up by my skin tone, depending on if I fake tan, which I don't do very often, but in the summer I do sometimes, so I have dark ones for that, and then I have really pale ones. So we're gonna see what kind of color this is gonna come out to me. It's definitely not gonna match me, that's for sure. So let's just start. We're gonna start with my dark ones. So I have the, okay, so I have to tell you, this is a really thick foundation. So this is a really thick foundation, and I've had this for quite a while, probably a year now. Maybe not that long, close to a year. And I don't use it because it's too dark, but I can literally hear the product all as one just moving around. So I don't even know if this shade's gonna work. Oh, it is coming. Okay, so we're gonna put a little bit of this. You know what? I'm gonna figure out a way to show you guys. Okay, I have this really old jewelry thing that I never use. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna set my phone on top of that. There we go. Now I can film it for you. It looks kind of weird. Don't judge it. Like I said, I'm not a professional. Alright, so this is the L'Oreal Infallible Total Coverage in the shade 302. Oh, that's so disturbing. Then I have the Tarte, what is this? Amazonian Clay in the shade Light Sand, which this is probably a couple of years old, honestly. Then I have the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation in the shade 4.5. That one I'm literally doing a tiny spot because this is expensive. Alright, I have two of the Wet n Wild foundations, the Photo Focus in Soft Beige and Soft Ivory. We're just gonna put this, what's on the wand. I hate the smell of this. It smells like paint. I have two of the CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Elixirs. I have the shade 725 and 710. Go ahead and put. One thing I hate about this foundation is this is like the lightest and it's not light at all. Alright, and then I have the Cover FX Natural Finish Oil-Free Foundation. Don't even know if there's much left. Oh, there's a little drop. Alright, and then I have the Bare Minerals Fresh Face Liquid Foundation. This is their Made to Fit foundation. This is very sheer coverage, so then I have my CYO Long Lasting Foundation. I love this foundation, as you can tell. This is in the shade 101, I think. And I had a couple of the lighter foundations because, like I said, I wanted to semi-match my skin tone. Alright, and then I have two of my favorite foundation lately. It's between this one and the CYO that I literally use every day. This is the Healthy Foundation by Physicians Formula. This does come with, isn't a pump, it's a doe foot, so I'm going to try to put some in. But I have these shades LN4 and LC1. Alright, so we're going to mix them all together. Oh my gosh, I can see that L'Oreal. That was so old. It's so thick. That is not going to match at, oh, it's so dark. Okay, so I just want to show you this mess that I'm now going to have to pick up. This is gonna be dark. All right, let's just do it. Oh my gosh. What am I gonna do with all this foundation? I feel like I shouldn't put too much just in case it's really full coverage, because so far it looks pretty full coverage. Okay, I'm gonna use my sponge to mix this or blend this out. Oh my god, can you see that like really thick piece? So my SD card got full as soon as I finished putting this on, so I just went ahead and finished my face off camera since I was going to do that anyways, but I love this. Like, I'm not even going to lie, I really want to bottle this up so I could use it again. Like, I didn't even put concealer on, one, because I forgot to bring it over here. Oh, it's so, I like it a lot. I'm going to put in the description box if it lasted all day or not, or in how it looked at the end of the day, but sorry this video is so short, but that is all I have for this video, so thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next one.